This is example 3. We're told the centre of the circle, we're told it contains a point. And we're asked to construct the circle, calculate the radius and write the equation of the circle. So I have drawn an axis, an x-axis and a y-axis, and that's the point, which is 5, 12. Okay, we know the centre is 0, 0 and it contains that point. So I get my compass, I put the needle on 0, 0. I put the lead or the pencil part down on the point and I draw my circle. And that's as well as you have to do it. Okay, so I have my circle drawn. That's it there, and of course I've gone over a little bit, so I'll just rub those out. Compass is getting a bit loose. Okay, now part 2, I have to calculate the radius. Now, I cannot, it says calculate, it doesn't say estimate from the graph, so we can't just look out here and say it's about 13. It probably is 13, but we can't just say that. We have to look at it and get the distance. We have 2 points. The first one is 0, 0, and the second point is 5, 12. They're the 2 points that we've been given. So we have to find the distance between them, or the length of the line. So distance or length of the line. So we go to the tables book. We look here. That's the formula there. Length or distance, same thing. And that means that I have to use the formula, the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And if I look at those, I can see that's going to be x1, y1, x2, y2. So that's going to be the square root of x2, which is 5, minus x1, which is 0, squared, plus y2, which is 12, minus y1, messy. Okay, y1, which is 0 squared. And you don't start messing about with that. You just get the calculator and you put it in exactly as it's written. So it's the square root, open bracket, 5 minus 0, close bracket, squared, plus, open bracket, 12 minus 0, close bracket, squared. It looks the exact same here as it does here, so I know I'm right. Press equals, and it is actually 13. Equals 13. So the radius is 13 units. And then part 3 asks us to write the equation. Well, I know that a circle that has a centre 0, 0 is going to be x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And my radius is 13, so that's x squared plus y squared is equal to 13 squared. So that's x squared plus y squared is equal to 169. Now be careful, because in this case it is not enough to just write this. That will only get you attempt marks. You actually have to square that out to get your full marks.